Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to show you. How to create a professional looking presentation in just a few minutes using Gamma AI. Yes, just minutes, and yes, using AI. Let's get started. So here we are on the Gamma dashboard. First, click on Create New, and you'll see three options: paste in text, generate from scratch, or import a file or URL. For this tutorial, I'm choosing paste in text. Here, you can paste anything: your presentation notes, a rough idea, or even the full content. In my case, I pasted my notes for a presentation titled Beat the Summer Slump. Once that's in, Gamma asks you what you'd like to create: a document, a web page, social posts, or a presentation. Of course, I'm going with presentation. Then you pick a layout style. I chose the classic traditional one. After that, click Continue, and you'll land in the prompt editor. This is where the real magic happens. You can edit your prompt, rewrite parts, or just let Gamma handle it. A pop-up will ask if you want to split your content into slides. Click Yes, Split for Me, and Gamma will organize it into individual cards for your presentation. I ended up with 10 nicely structured cards. Not bad at all. Now on the left-hand menu, you can customize your presentation even more. You can choose the image style. I selected Imagen 3 Fast by Google because it gives really good results quickly. You can also adjust the tone and choose the audience your presentation is targeting, so everything feels more personalized. When you're ready, click Continue. This step will cost 40 credits. And remember, Gamma gives you 500 free credits on the free plan. Next, it's time to choose a theme for your presentation. I went with a colorful one called Gamma. Then I clicked Generate and let Gamma get to work. It might take a few moments, but the results are worth it. I'll speed this part up so you don't have to wait. And there it is, a full, well-designed presentation, complete with visuals that match the theme. If you want to make changes, Gamma's AI has you covered. Just click on the text you want to edit, then click the little AI icon and choose from a list of actions. I selected Expand Text to make the content more detailed, and it worked great. If you want to improve the writing on an entire page, go to the corner of the card and click Edit with AI, then select Improve Writing. Just keep in mind this action costs 5 credits, so use it wisely. At the top, you can preview the entire presentation, and it even includes smooth, professional animations. When you're done, you can export your presentation by clicking the 3 dots, then selecting Export. You can download it as a PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even as PNG images for sharing on social media. You can also embed it in your website using the HTML code provided. Or simply share the link, or invite collaborators if you're working in a team. And that's it. That's how you can create a full, professional presentation in just minutes using Gamma and AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know in the comments what other AI tools or presentation tips you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.